That's the LG V30. Let's see how to adjust some photos, how to make a photo brighter to increase the shadows. So first of all, let's go here to the camera. Okay, and here's the preview, so we can see the images that we captured. So let's say I want to adjust that picture. Come here to edit, tap on edit. Okay, and we have three icons here, and use the middle one, those three horizontal lines. Okay, and here we have light, and open up light with this arrow, and here down we have shadows, and if you increase it, notice it's modifying only the darker area. Okay, make your modification that you want and go back, and here we have save copy. It's saving a copy and it's showing it here. So that's the modified. We have nothing on the left side. That's another one, and that's the original. That's brighter and that's darker. Okay, so that's how to adjust the shadows on this LG V30 Plus.